on with this.
So
It's coming off, it's coming on. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simple Life with Pauline. So, I'm going to unbox my ring light, this one.
Yay.
My ring light for the first time. So, let's start. So, this ring light, it serves a stand and its bag, yeah. And also, let's see the way it is. This one is the bag. So I was told like I should adjust this thing. I'm not sure about this thing, but let's do it. Oh yeah, like that. It's a 2 meter. I don't know. Yeah, I was told it's a 2 meter. 2 meter. Oh my god. I don't want to destroy this thing that has day to me. Is this enough? Oh my god. I'm afraid of destroying it. I should stretch it.
It's a stand.
It's not.
Make it.
Pondo mwisho.
So.
Oh, there is another one here. For this side, you see the way it is long. It is long or it is tall? Long.
Long.
It is long. Yeah, if you open, then you make sure you lock. If you lock, like it should be
Kuni.
like that. But because I'm short girl, I will reduce it to be down. Yeah, there.
Okay.
There is another lock here for the ring light. Oh guys, it also have a tripod, a mini tripod. This one. So this one is the bag.
That's the main thing.
This is the main hair. Oh my god! Oh, this one was separated, but since I don't want to remove it, it is one, like it have been connected here. And also it is, you can control it by putting like this, like anywhere you want. Yeah. So this one, this part, you put it here.
You did it.
Oops. Oops.
What are you doing?
I'm connecting it.
Okay.
Guys, don't mind about that girl. I think kichwa chake inaruka. Kama maribika kichwa, ambia watu mtupike usi. Imagine that's how my mom always say. Kama mtu maribika tu kichwa, asema mapema peleke usi. So, you need to connect this one to a charger or yeah, a charger or something like a power bank, something like that. So me, I'll be connecting it with my computer.
Can you share them?
No.
Okay.
With the computer, you see, it's connected, so it's
Blinking.
It is on. It is on. Oh, no. Just wait. Just wait. So,
Oh.
who is not there? Oh, guys, it also have
I did not know.
a microphone, a lapel. It's called a lapel. Guys, you'll be hearing my voice now. And also, oh my god, it has a remote. What? A remote. But I don't know how to use it. So what will I do? I don't know what to do. Let's see what's in there. Here. Only a tripod and a microphone and a remote. Guys, you tell me in the comment section if there is something which I don't have. So the main thing is here. This thing is so long. The main thing is here. You put your phone here.
Use my phone.
Where is it?
There.
You put your phone here.
Ukiniangusha simu.
Yeah.
Eh, okay.
It's blacks.
Guys, about it in your
Look
kitchen.
the way it is blinking here. What is this? What? The phone is off.
Akipoli release niko na iPhone unaniaibisha hapa.
It's Infinix. You put it like this, or if you want to turn it, you do like this.
So
Just like
that is
that.
called horizontal.
This one is, according to computer,
Landscape.
this one is landscape, this one is portrait. I don't know how to differentiate the horizontal and ina tighten, ina loose, like ina nini, inaipanua. Oops.
Akisimu yangu iki. Hey.
Guys, let's see the colors. Oh, I'm so excited. Woo! But tunafaa kuconnect hapa camera ndio tuone difference. What's wrong with this?
So
It's coming off, it's coming on.
Cut.
Guys, let's see the colors. I'm so excited. Oh, this one is for colors. You can, but I don't want to
Which
start
one?
with colors. So guys, let's start with the colors. I'm so excited. There is a mirror here, don't mind. So, oh my god. But you can enhance or you can reduce the light. And also you can change. Woo! This one, I think this one is my best. You can enhance, then you can reduce if you want. Let's change. Let's look at the colors, the different types of colors. And also there is that one, that. So you can use this button if you want. If you want to make your light to be so more brighter, you press up. Then if you want it to be low, you press down. You see, it's dim. When you press up, it is coming brighter. Let's check if there's other colors. These are the old colors. So there's that one for colors, real colors. Leave alone this
Normal one.
color red. This one is red, yes. Green, blue, luminous green. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Blue,
But your
purple.
phone.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh. And also there is. These are 3 colors. I don't know. Then there is different colors. I can see yellow. Maybe let's see. Ish, blinking. And also there is. Hey, can you notice it? Hey, my first ring light. 12. It is 12 inch. I think the next time I'll be buying another one, I'll be buying the biggest. I don't know if it is 22 or 24 inch. The big one. Ooh, yeah. Then you can change if you want. Yeah. Guys, that is it. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it up. Let's turn it up. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Oh, no,
happy.
overdo.
Happy, happy. Just listen me here. Ooh. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy so much. So, guys, this one is the ring light from the top to the bottom. So, yeah, that is it. I'm so happy. It is a 2 meters. It's like I've just put it like this because I'm short. I'm a short girl, but it can reach wherever you want it. It will just reach. Just adjust it like that.
Ooh.
Yeah, like that. If you don't-
Okay,
then you
okay,
love-
okay, okay.
Then
Okay.
turn it as where you want. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and share to Simple Life with Pauline. Doo-doo.
So you turn it like this so that you can see. Go behind it.
Oh,
Nice, okay.
am I bright?
Move behind. Move back.
Should I put this one like this?
Yeah, there's a difference.
There's a difference. You get pregnant.
Just Muhammad Banis.